Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are basically tired of searching for the same item every day. So Vinted lets you save searches and get notified when new items appear. It's kinda perfect for like rare brands or any specific sizes. This feature helps you grab deals before others do. So into today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually save a search on Vinted in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, go all the way, open the Vinted app or website. So for me today, I'm just gonna go to vinted.com. Website here, go all the way, log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. So now we're gonna go, for example, search for any item you want. For example, all we're gonna do is wait. Okay, let's add more details. Nike book one, for example. Okay, so for example, you want this search, you want to keep it. All you're gonna do is come here and tap on save search, then enable notifications if prompted. So basically what happens next, you will receive alerts when new matching items are listed. You can even use detailed basically filters before saving, then turn on push notifications for faster updates, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.